So if I was going into this assignment, you of course are going to click on this, okay? And what I want you to do is I want you to create a scene that you might see in your favorite season. Okay, so if your favorite season is summer, you're going to create a scene from that. If your favorite season is winter, you're going to create from that. Okay, but the things I want you to use so you can get familiar with it before we use this next week in science is there are several different tools, and when you're using them, the main ones that you're going to use are these right along here. Okay. But specifically on this line one, if you click the arrow next to it, it gives you all these different options. The scribble one is the one I use most because it allows me to draw freely. Okay, so that's the one I'm going to start out with. So if I said my favorite season is summer, I might draw the ocean, and notice mine's already blue because oh no, it's black. See, if I click off of that, it's not blue. But if I come up here and I say, hey, I want my water to be blue, see how it changed over to blue? And now from here on out, if I draw, it will continue to be blue. Uh-oh, what happened? I'm gonna try again. Oh, it's trying to do that one. No, I don't wanna move it. Mrs. Shade is learning just like you will. Okay, scribble. What in the world? Okay, I'm gonna do this so I can select it. And then I'm gonna go back over here and try scribble again. I practiced and practiced and it didn't ever do this, and now I don't know why it's doing it. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna undo it. I'm gonna try again. Scribble. There we go. Ocean waves, ocean waves, ocean waves. You might have an idea why my ocean waves are going away. Try again. Ocean waves.
I think I know.
Okay, what's your suggestion?
Well, the reason why I think that happens where you draw it and it disappears, I saw videos of someone drawing.
I think I clicked transparent
and
before.
Sometimes when he tried to do something, it would just do that. But I think the reason why that's happening is because you hold it down and you don't let go of it.
I actually figured out why, Ryan. I'm going to tell you why. Okay. So when I clicked up here earlier and I told it to turn blue, I accidentally didn't click blue. I clicked like that. So if I want to highlight this first part, I have to click on it and tell it to go blue. Okay. But what I had done just a minute ago is I accidentally clicked transparent, and transparent makes it disappear.
Oh.
So don't click on transparent because then it'll disappear. So I'm going to undo the transparent. I'm going to leave it as blue. Now, my waves are not very thick. So what I could do is I could come up here and I could say, I want to change the thickness of my waves. I'm going to change them really thick. Okay. Whoops. Here and here. Okay, so now my waves are thicker. So I want you to use the scribble tool in making your scene. I want you to also use at least one other one in this area. So I'm going to use the line because I'm going to make the top of my boat and I'm going to make the shaft of my sail. Okay, and of course, I probably want to use the scribble tool to make the bottom of my boat. And see, my line's kind of wavy, and when I let go, Google's nice enough to straighten it out a little bit for me, okay? But then I also want you to use the shape tool and create something with the shape. Now, let's say I drag it out like this, and I'm like, that's all well and good, but I wanted my sail to go the opposite direction. You're gonna put your cursor on this little dot and flip it around like that. And then maybe I'm like, oh, my sail needs to be bigger on my boat. So I'm gonna go like that, okay? Maybe I don't want blue sail. I can go, where's my line? There it is. See this paint bucket? I want my sail to be green. Okay, so play around with that. I also want you to pull out a text box and tell me what season it is that you. Summer is my favorite. Whoa, whoa. Why didn't somebody tell me I was going a little crazy there?
Summer is my favorite.
Yeah, mistake. It's okay. Okay, summer is my favorite. And you guys learned yesterday how to change the font. So if you want to change it, highlight what you're doing and change it to a font that you like. Like, I think I want this one. Summer is my favorite. And I want it a little bit bigger. I want everybody to know summer is my favorite. So see, okay. But I want you to play around and use the different tools. At least one shape you need to rotate, okay? So just like I rotated my sail here, I want you to rotate a shape. Questions? Okay, so that's what you're going to practice on this.